I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com on Wednesday, May 22nd. And in this video, we're going to look at Sony. I actually heard from a viewer whose investment club follows some of my stuff, and you really wanted my take on Sony. So here it is. The stock came out of a volatility squeeze, which is really encouraging. Hope you were in there. And I would say this is phase one, this big initial move where the stock peaked right there. Phase two, which would be the pullback and the test of the squeeze, ended right there. So this is your new support level. Then we got a breakout above this prior high here. So that's the start of phase three. The reason I'm walking you through this is simple. I think this pullback's probably going to be an opportunity for you. I think the stock ultimately moves higher. You can see it's been a pretty substantial reversal here, a pretty obvious one. Heavy trading volume the last couple weeks, which really kind of makes you think the stock is due for a rest. So what I would suggest doing here is waiting a bit. Let the stock settle in. I don't think there's any risk that the stock's going to run up to 25 bucks without you. Wait for the stock to settle in a little bit closer to 20 bucks, and then you can probably add to existing positions. But another thing that you got to look at is the 50-day moving average at 17.5. So 20 bucks, even then you may still be buying a little bit higher. Somewhere in between $20, we'll say, and wherever that 50-day moving average happens to be, it'll be higher over here, would be a safer place to buy this stock. But overall, nothing wrong with the uptrend. Now it's just a function of entry. Okay, members, I'm going to talk about today's intraday reversal, as well as some of the high flyers that ain't flying so high anymore, and a couple places where you can still be putting in your stocks, so putting in your money. So anyway, get over there now. And by the way, if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, why don't you get that done today too? It's a free look for 30 days. Nobody's going to die from that, and you wind up probably find that you wind up making some money. And definitely losing less than you are now.